Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss in accounting the types, or you can say the subfields of accounting. Means we'll discuss the types of accounting in this video. So there are some types of accounting. This is also called the branches of accounting. Okay. The first branch or first type of accounting is financial accounting. Actually, financial accounting is concerning with the preparing of profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Financial accounting is, when we prepare our accounts, we just want to know that our business is going in profit or in loss. So for this we prepare profit and loss account. Or before preparation of profit and loss account, we also prepare trading account. Actually, from trading account we can easily know our gross profit or gross loss. So first of all we prepare trading account, then we prepare profit and loss account, and then we prepare balance sheet. Okay, so all these three accounts are considered under financial accounting. The profit and loss account shows the net profit or net loss in a particular financial year, and the balance sheet shows the correct financial position of the business. So we can say that the main purpose of this branch of accounting is to record the business transaction in a systematic manner to ascertain the profit or loss of the accounting period by preparing a profit and loss account, and to present the financial position of the business by preparing a balance sheet. Okay, so this branch of accounting provides information required by the management and various other interested parties. Next is cost accounting. Actually, whenever any business wants to know that what is the cost of production per unit, to know the cost of production per unit, then cost accounting is prepared. Okay, so the main purpose of cost accounting is to ascertain the total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business. It also estimates the cost in advance and helps the management in exercising strict control over the cost. Actually, when with the help of cost accounting, management can easily know about the cost per unit and about the overall cost. It helps the management to control over the expenditure of the business. If there are unnecessary expenditure, the management can remove this unnecessary expenditure, and management can increase the amount of profit. Okay, next is management accounting. The main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such a way to assess the management in planning and controlling the operations of a business. Actually, बच्चों, management use various accounting information for various purposes. Like suppose management wants to know that what is the expenditure of the business that has been done for the employees. Okay, suppose management is paying salary, management is paying for medical for its employees. So how can they reduce, or how can they take effective utilization of the finance? Management has to plan for the business. Management has to organize its business. So there are so many decisions that the management has to take. Okay, so if the management doesn't have any proper information, the management cannot take all the decision. Management cannot plan for the business. So all these are information. This is provided by management accounting. The management accounting is always helpful in taking the decision by the management. Okay, next is tax accounting. This word itself says that this is done for calculating the tax, है ना? The branch of accounting which is used for tax purposes is called tax accounting. Income tax and GST are computed on the basis of this accounting. So whenever income tax has to be calculated, that what amount has to be paid to the government in the form of tax. So that is, when we calculate tax, so we should know about tax accounting. Tax accounting always helpful in providing information about the tax. Next is social responsibility accounting. Social responsibility accounting means, देखिए बच्चों, business is exists in the society. Every business use the resources of the society, like man means the man power which is provided by the society to the business. Okay, material, all the material the business use, it is from the society, है ना. तो man, material, machines, all these are the resources. All resources, whatever the business is using, is provided by the society. So there is some responsibility of the business to do something for the society. For this, social responsibility accounting plays a very important role. Okay, the society provides the manufacturer and the facilities without which business cannot operate at all. Okay, that's what I was saying. Hence, the business also has a responsibility to the society. There's a growing demand for reports on activities which reflect the contribution of an enterprise to the society. Social responsibility accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating the contribution of the business to the society. The contribution of a business to the society consists of providing employment under privileged, providing financial and manpower support for public programs, environmental contribution, product safety, product durability, consumer satisfaction, etc. Actually, these all are the responsibilities of business. And you can say, I highlight the points like product durability, consumer satisfaction, product safety, environmental contribution. It is the duty of every business to save the environment, है ना. So it is also responsibility of the business towards the society. Business should provide a safe product. Business should provide the product which are of a long durability. ऐसा नहीं है कि प्रोडक्ट आज खरीदा कल खराब हो गया. It is the responsibility of the business to provide a better quality of product. And consumer satisfaction means whenever consumer is purchasing some product, so he must be satisfied because he is paying for this, है ना. So this is the responsibility of the business to satisfy the consumer, and obviously to provide employment to underprivileged. Underprivileged means the person who is not getting employment, he is financially not good. So to these type of person, it is the responsibility of the business to provide employment opportunities to all these persons. Okay, providing financial and manpower support to public programs. So all these are the responsibilities of business, and this comes under social responsibility accounting. Okay बच्चों, तो we have discussed the types or subfields of accounting. This topic is also important for exam point of view. Simple question is normally asked in the examination, that what are the types of accounting. So you just have to write about these 5 types, like financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, and social responsibility accounting. So bachcho, that's all in this video. Hope you'll enjoy it. Just watch this video for 2 or 3 times. Okay, if you have any question, any query, you can ask me. Thank you.